Sometimes an underground drain can't be restored through cleaning alone. During Gutterco's drain restoration service, we may discover heavy root intrusion, a broken or separated pipe, or a crushed section. That's why our drain restoration service includes both drain inspection and drain cleaning into one process. We've already used our camera and locating equipment to identify the problem and mark its approximate location from above ground. Based on what we found, we've also provided you with a set price proposal for the drain restoration repair. Once the repair is approved, we'll return to the marked location and carefully excavate the area to expose the underground drain. Though we know where the problem is located, underground conditions can't be completely known until the pipe is actually exposed. Once exposed, we'll remove the damaged or obstructed section and make the necessary repair using appropriate materials. We'll reconnect the drain, restore the flow, and test the repaired section whenever conditions allow. The price provided in your proposal covers the drain restoration repair described in the estimate. But sometimes the camera reveals something that cleaning equipment simply can't fix, such as heavy root intrusion, a separated pipe, or physical damage. If excavation reveals additional damage, we'll explain what we found and discuss any additional work with you before proceeding. Restoration of grass, landscaping, or finished surfaces is not included unless specifically stated in your proposal. Our approach is to avoid unnecessary excavation. That's why we first attempt to restore the existing drain through our cleaning service. It isn't enough. We know where to dig for a targeted repair. That's the Gutterco drain restoration repair process.